Hey everyone, it's David here, and I'm going to show you real quick how to sideload or manually update your Nexus 5 to 4.4.2. So down below will be the links that you'll need to download the files for the updates. So just look down below in the description and you'll have links to either the update that you need to go from 4.4 to 4.4.2, or if you're already on 4.4.1, you can move up to KitKat 4.4.2. So look down below for those downloads. So I'm doing this on a Mac, but it's essentially the same thing on a Windows. I tried to find ways to do this as a first-time Nexus user, and I couldn't quite figure it out, and a lot of places were confusing. But I finally figured it out. It's really simple. I don't know why it was so complicated online, but this is the easiest way to do it. So first thing you're going to do is go to your SDK. I'm going to assume that everyone already has the SDK downloaded, and this is just terminal usage. So you go to the SDK. If you don't have the SDK downloaded, you need that, so a download link will also be down in the description. So after you do that, you're going to go to the SDK folder, find your platform tools, and copy the location of the platform tools, and you're going to do CD and, well, put that in. So there you go, you've called the platform tools. So now you've got ADB and Fastboot available. The first thing you want to do is have your Nexus 5 connected, and you're going to put in /ADB devices. This will bring up your device and its serial number, and it'll show that your device is connected. Notice that for Mac you need to do /ADB. It's how you call ADB or Fastboot on Mac. On Windows you wouldn't use that. So just as a note, Mac use /ADB, Windows just do ADB devices. So I don't want to show my serial number of my device, so I'm not going to do this. Just for your sake, make sure that anytime you're going to do it, just real quick, it's just a safe thing to do. Just check your device and make sure it's on there and you're not just sending things over. Or just putting in code and then when you wonder why it's not working, it's because your device isn't connected. So after you do this, you want to go to your downloads and you're going to find the download. Well, I already did it, but let's say you have this named as, I don't know, I'm going to do anything. You put this in your downloads, and so you downloaded this file, which is the update file that you're going to download from Google. You're going to rename it to update.zip. Okay. Then you want to move that into your SDK folder, then into the platform tools. So into the same folder as ADB and Fastboot. Once it's there, you're going to go back to the terminal, and you're going to put ADB reboot recovery. You enter that, and your Nexus 5 in front of you, is going to reboot into its recovery mode. Chances are that what's going to happen is that when it boots back into it, you're going to see a little Android with a red little thing, and it's going to say no command, and you're going to freak out and think you just broke your phone. That's not the case. You got to call the Android system recovery options. So how you do that is with the volume button, press up, and you'll see it. So once you see that, you're going to use the volume buttons to go down to where it says apply update from ADB. And then you're going to press the power button and select that option. And then it's going to say, now send the package you want to apply to the device with ADB sideload file name. So then all you do is you do the same call. You do /ADB or just ADB on Windows. And you're going to say sideload update.zip. Okay. Once you do this, you hit enter and nothing on the terminal is going to show up. I don't remember, I just did this a little bit ago, but on your device you'll see that it's updating. It will update and it will complete the package and put it on the system and you'll be all good to go. So it's as easy as that. I'll be putting in maybe a little bit of a text description at the bottom, and the downloads are all at the bottom for both your updates and SDK in case you don't have it. And there you go, it's as easy as that. Thanks.